Y'all, I cannot be left to my own devices today. I just can't. I put my clothes in the dryer, and I remembered my keys. So that's awesome. But, like, I'm just sitting here again. Just sitting here. And I'm like, bruh. There's some things I need to do. Like, I gotta empty the dishwasher and put dishes back in the dishwasher. Just little stuff I got to do. Lots of little stuff. So, let's just do this shit. Let us empty this damn dishwasher. I just washed my hands. So, it's a good time to do the thing. Just went through the wash. I'm gonna oil this as my last thing before I leave the kitchen. It'll be the last task I do in the kitchen. You, come here. There we go. Oh, excuse the hell out of you. Why are you like this? I have a feeling I know what it is. And that would be the filter needs cleaned. So that's the only time my dishes end up with this weird film, whatever. So, let's go ahead and finish it. What are you doing, Lacey? Go ahead and put these bitches up here. Okay. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. The patch is doing its job. I've only had 2 cigarettes. Wait, no. Yeah, 2 cigarettes total so far today. Whereas I would normally have already smoked like 4 or 5. So that's good. All improvement is good improvement. And you know what I like to say? Good things are good. Just put you back up there. Yes. Interesting. There it is. Every jar a lid, and every lid a jar. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause right here, and then come back when I'm done. Okay, bye. Well, this happened. Isn't that nice? Oh well. Rip. See, look, I was right. You probably can't see it that well, but it's got a lot of film on it. So, I'm just gonna wash this little mofo, and I'll be back. Okay. I don't know if you can see a difference, but there's a big difference. I got all that stuff out of it. There we go. So I oiled that last grate right there. So you can see, ta-da, nice and pretty. Oh, just remember, I gotta wash this part. So let me just go ahead and do that, and I'll be back again. Okay, nice, much better. I still have some suds up here that I couldn't get, and I was like, my back is already hurting, so let me just deal with it. Just accept it. It's cool. It's cool. Now, there's something else I need to do. As far as skincare is concerned, because of something that I plan to do today that I will not give voice to because I might not if I say it out loud. Isn't this the cutest freaking little baggie? I'm not going to keep these in here, but these are lip balms with SPF 45. Hell yeah. Because my poor lippies, they aren't happy. Which one do I want to start with? There's vanilla, tropical, mango, and dreamsicle. Okay, I'm going to start with vanilla because these I'm 100% sure I'm going to love way too much. So, this is so cute. So, I'm going to go do... So if you can't tell, I'm about to put on sunscreen. So, starting with my friggin' lips. Hey! Haha! Ooh! Okay. This is the first time I've had an SPF lip balm that actually feels like a good lip balm. Okay. Yeah, I think I got the whole... I don't think I need supervision to put on my sunscreen. So, I will be back. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.